Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Describing people, plus bonus content. Tell me about her. Tell me about him. So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for that bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. She is athletic. She likes sports. She is slim. She watches what she eats. She is tall. Her mother and father are also tall. She is young. She goes to school. She is overweight. She is trying to lose weight. He is fit. He works out every day. He is handsome. He is good looking. He is stocky. He used to play football. He is 20ish. He just finished school. He is heavy. He needs to exercise. Bonus. Tell me about her. Tell me about him. Tell me about him. He is muscular. He's muscular. Tell me about her. She's a tomboy. She is a tomboy. Tell me about him. He's a great father. He is a great father. Tell me about her. She's into cooking. She is into cooking. Tell me about him. He's got a big appetite. He's got a big appetite. Tell me about her. She's fashionable. She is fashionable. Tell me about him. He's environmentally friendly. He is environmentally friendly. Tell me about her. She's a businesswoman. She is a businesswoman. Okay, thanks so much. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please check those boxes to get my posts. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.